let's tackle some real life problems here. Some of our family members shed, so why not have a designated lint roller station? Makes sense? But right off the bat, I have to think of all the other possibilities. What if in your bathroom you had a sign that said, "Because some family members stink," and there it was, a little shelf where you'd put the smell spray. But better yet, one in the kitchen that says, "Because some family members spill," and it's a paper towel holder. So many options. What creative, fun phrases would you put on a sign inside your home? Tell us in the comments below. And more importantly, check in tomorrow, where we show you plans on how to build a budget fire pit. See you then.